Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing Marlo Beauty Supply Miss Mary mannequin head. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Right here I'm just showing you I purchased my items on the 25th and I had gotten them on the 27th, which is like a 2-day delivery. Right here I'm just showing you the items I purchased, which is a tube turnkey for color and 3 mannequin heads. And this is the mannequin head that I purchased. It's called Miss Mary and she was $32.45 and I purchased 3 of them. Right here just showing you the details at the very bottom of what are her specs and whatnot. Here is the box that I got through the mail. It has the Marlo Beauty Supply logo all on it. And right now I'm just opening up the box and I'm going to see what we got on the inside. Alright, so now we've gotten in the box, we've gotten a little paper here, and let's see, one of the mannequin heads is out of the box. So that's the first thing I see. Apparently they tried to shove 3 of them in here. So the other 2 in the box, that's my tube key to squeeze every last bit of color remaining in those little color tubes. So right here you can see that's my second mannequin head. It says the hair length is between 17 and 19 inches. And here is the third mannequin head. It's the same one that I had the first time, Miss Mary mannequin. Basically, she looks like the Deborah mannequin, except the makeup on her eyes is like white. I don't know. But here is the box that was supposed to be for my third mannequin, but they used it to collapsed it to make it easier to package, I guess. And here is Miss Mary, and you can see her eyeshadow is like white. I mean, it looks just like the Deborah mannequin, but the name of this particular brand is Style Tech. So I guess they just revamped the Deborah mannequin. And I'm just going to show you unboxing both of those, all 3 of those heads for you. Alright, right here we have all 3 of the ladies all together. The first thing I'm going to do is test out whether or not the hair can be lightened. So I'm using my BW2 from Clairol and my volume 30 developer. And what I've done here is I'm only going to show you one of them, but I did a strand test on all 3. So right here I'm just going ahead and demonstrating how I did my strand test. I just took a random section of hair and got to lightening. So that's what I'm showing you here. Right here I'm just showing you how I measured all 3 of the mannequins, and I know that the description says that their hair should be 17 to 19 inches. That's because they typically measure from the hairline to the length of the hair from where it stops. That may be true, but the length of the hair is actually, from what I determined, on average between all 3 of them, which was between 7 and 9 inches. Okay, right here I'm just parting the hair down the middle because I'm going to cut the hair, and I'm just going to show you the process that I use for all of the all 3 of them, the mannequins, and how I just did like just a basic 1-length haircut. Of course, all of the hair didn't reach because Miss Mary's hair is pretty short and the ends are pretty thin. But I'm just going to do this haircut right quick and we'll take it on from there. Oh, and before I forget, I'd also like to mention that the hair was shampooed with a clarifying shampoo, so there was no conditioner or anything or any leave-in throughout this entire test. So we're just going to take a look at that right here. When I go to flat ironing and blowing the hair dry and round brushing and everything, it has no product in it. Thank you. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here I'm just measuring the length in the front. I think it wasn't as even, so I'm trying to level both of the sides and use that as a guideline to make sure that the hair on either side is the same length. Okay, now that everyone's hair has been cut, right now I'm just blowing out the hair in preparation to do a round brush. This is basically a test to see how much heat can the hair tolerate, whether it's going to get tangled or break off or anything like that. So basically right here I'm just round brushing the hair, and I did this with all 3 of the mannequin heads. Right now I'm going to show you the results of all 3 of the mannequins' hair. So this is one mannequin and how her hair turned out, and here is another mannequin and here's how her hair turned out, and finally the third mannequin And this is how her hair turned out. Okay, next I'm going to flat iron everyone's hair, and to add a little variety, I'm going to do a different type of style with the flat iron. The temperature is 360 and the hair glides pretty good. It doesn't tangle or the hair is not falling off or anything. Right here I'm just straightening this one's hair, and here is the result of that. She's in desperate need of a haircut, honestly, all three of them. But this mannequin, again with the 360 on the flat iron, I was able to curl it, and it kept its curl and shape for quite a while. And she passed pretty good. Here's the result of that. Up next, I'm going to use an actual curling iron, and I'm going to spiral curl the hair. And again, the hair took the spiral curl pretty well, and it's kept its curl, so that was pretty good. And here is the result of that hairstyle. And I forgot to show you the results of the lightning process, and all three of them passed pretty good. Here's the one mannequin where I did like the strand test, and it took pretty well. And after I did it, it didn't break off or anything. It didn't turn green or anything like that. Here is another mannequin head that I did, and I'm just showing you the results of the strand test. It took pretty well. It's gotten pretty light, nice even color throughout. And here is finally the third mannequin head that I did. I did a strand test on this one as well, and here is the result. The hair is nicely lightened. Okay, in my opinion, I think the Marlo Beauty mannequin Mrs. Mary is a good investment. Just beware that her hair is pretty short, and I would definitely recommend her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.